In one of my previous videos, I introduced and talked about Copilot Notebooks, a nice way to create a container where you can store files, Copilot chats. It makes totally sense to have this kind of scenario if you want to launch a marketing campaign, for instance, or if you want to launch a new product or a new project. You can aggregate the same and all information with your colleagues there in these notebooks. Now, Microsoft has introduced a synchronization mechanism that will allow you to follow a Copilot notebook directly in the OneNote desktop app. I'll show you this how it works. Let's go. Here I am on my M365 dashboard. Here I have the chat open with Copilot, and just down below in this panel you can find this item called Notebooks, and this is the place where you have the ability to create new notebooks and keep track of what you have done so far. So as you can see here, I created in the past 3 notebooks. I have one Product X marketing campaign, climate change, and one as a test. So here I can going forward by creating additional notebooks, but this is not the topic of this video because I want to open the OneNote app that I have here. This is the desktop version, and what we can see now as a new area available on the left pane, this one under Home, we can see exactly the 3 notebooks that we have seen a few seconds ago. I have the Product X marketing campaign. I can click on it. I can see all references listed in this pane. Moreover, I can also interact directly here with my colleagues, assuming that this notebooks is shared with my colleagues. They can also open this notebook. They can create new Copilot interaction here. Under this part, you can see listed all chats and references. All files are also listed here. You can also create an audio about this notebook, but this is how it looks, the new experience. I have this second one, climate change, and this plus button next to Copilot Notebooks allow me also directly from OneNote to create a new notebook, and this will show up, of course, in the M365 dashboard as well. Let's do this. There we go. I've written Project Drone X. I can hit the button now, create. I don't want to. Let's say that I'm going just to create a couple of references here, a OneNote page and this Word document. That's it. I don't want to add more references. Let's hit the button create, and now this new notebook inside this portion will be available in the M365 dashboard as well. This is now added here, and if I switch back to my Microsoft 365 dashboard, we can see showing up in real time without refreshing the page. In this case, it's already available here. In the same way, the synchronization works. If I create a new notebook here, this will be available in OneNote. In the case you don't see this notebook created in the web page, you can just run the synchronization process by opening file and then view sync status, or you can run manually the synchronization mechanism. What do you think about the possibility to control Copilot notebooks directly in the OneNote desktop app? It's useful or not? Let me know in the comment down below. If you want to see more video like this one, type Copilot in the comment or just OneNote. I will follow up with more videos about this topic. I hope to see you next time. Bye.